the last problem from Monday, December 17th. It's just finishing up that other video. So you need to find the missing side length in this problem. So we're solving for x. So like before, you write out a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The most important step is to identify c. C is always the longest side. It's the side across from the right angle. So instead of c, we're going to plug in 5 square root of 30. And then we're also going to plug in a and b. So a, I'm going to say, is 3, and b, we do not know. 3 squared gives you 9. And then on the other side, we do power to a group, you distribute. So we get 5 squared, square root of 30 squared. On the left side, we just carry down 9 plus b squared. And on the right side, we get 25 multiplied by 30. Because the square root and squaring something are inverse operations and they cancel each other out. So 25 times 30, we get 750. On the left side, we just copy down 9 plus b squared. To get the b squared alone, we need to get rid of this 9. So the inverse operation of addition is subtraction. So we're going to subtract 9 from each side. On the left side, 9 minus 9 equals 0, and we're left with b squared. On the right side, 750 minus 9, we get 741. And then we can go ahead and take the square root of 741. And that gives you a total of 27.22, etc. So b is approximately 27.2. So up here, x equals approximately 27.2. On a calculator, when you're trying to find 5 times the square root of 30 and then squaring it, on the calculator, you can either just plug in 5 square root of 30 and press enter. And what's going to come up on your screen is the value 27.3861278. And then from there, just press caret. Don't press anything else. And the calculator will automatically put ANS before your caret, which is really taking this answer and just putting a caret beside it. And then we're going to square it. So we put a 2 for our caret. And you will get, when you press enter, you will get a result of 750. You could also put this in your calculator instead. You could also just put 2 sets of parentheses. So in your calculator, whenever you type in 5 square root, it automatically puts in the parentheses. You fill in the parentheses and you end the parentheses. But if you want this whole thing to be squared, you need another set of parentheses and then your power of 2. So in the calculator, I type in parentheses, 5, then I type in square root of 30, and automatically they're going to put in this parentheses here, which means you need to end that parentheses, put in another parentheses, and then caret and your 2. And the caret is right below the clear sign, which is below the blue arrows. And this will give you 750. So that's something for you to practice on your calculator. But again, the answer to this is approximately 27.2.